guys, give me your speed. We're about 105, 110, trying to catch up. They're still a little ways away. It's pretty good traffic. Still south of, that Air 1's got it if you want to call it.
10-3, 10-3, someone just pit him into the woods.
The 252. 252. Every unit behind us, stop traffic, we got plenty up here.
9 Charlie 14, I'll be in the far right lane, stopping traffic.
Shut it down. Car in the woods, can't see the driver.
Charlie 14, anybody got eyes?
Air 1 does not have eyes on the suspect.
Alright, everybody heads up. He's trying to drive the car out of the woods. Alright guys, we're going to get 2 shields. We're going to approach. He's trying to rock the car back and forth so he's still inside. Look, when they get a shield, let's pin him in.
What has got going, bro?
Watch him! Cross the knee! Coming out the driver's side!
Y'all do not walk up on this car. We got enough people up here. Josh! Press the Josh! He's on the move again in a Coco K9 Explorer going north on 95.
Hey, get behind the car! Are you kidding me?
They got him? What? Let's go! 21 and another Explorer northbound.
Air 1, follow that car. You got another car.
Air 1's got eyes, still northbound.
Black Coco K9 Explorer.
Okay, we got units coming up just south of Dunlawton. It's the only vehicle coming at you, center lane, blue lights on. Only vehicle, about 3 seconds out.
Weapons accessible in cab. Any other vehicle dealing with them, block your doors. Alright. Delta 32 has eyes northbound.
14 to whoever's calling it. You want the traffic to stay put.
Car 1, give Air 1 the air.
Still northbound 95, half mile south of Dunlawton. Half mile south of Dunlawton.
Lieutenant Shank, I need to know if there's any guns in that car that he just stole in the front.
Still northbound on 95, passing Dunlawton. Traffic stopped on the on-ramp for Dunlawton. Still no traffic, northbound, center lane.
The channels are patched now with 5.
Which car? The Coco car?
Coco SUV, Coco SUV. In the shoulder right now.
Stick it from both Port Orange units. Full stick it. Are there guns in the front of the car? Ask the K9 handler from Coco. He says yes, there probably is.
Okay, vehicle is smoking, north of 95, or north of Dunlawton by about a half mile. Going into the inside lane.
Being advised that's a SWAT officer's vehicle. Don't be in the same lane with him, he's going to lose debris all over the road.
Inside lane, he's starting to slow down. It's about a quarter mile south of Williamson overpass.
Okay, now I wonder if you're not already, hurry up and get up here. I'm coming. guys, light K9 to the front. Light K9 to the front. Car 1, make sure you get some long guns up here too.
Still northbound, north of the Williamson overpass.
X-ray 11's at 92. Does it need more sticks or no? Alright, everybody hold there. We need a K9 up here, Mike. Where you at? Passing Williamson. Alright, he's breaking for the median, guys. He's breaking for the median. Breaking for the median. Everybody slow down. Don't ball up here.
It's underneath the wires. Underneath the wires. In the median.
Temple, there's going to be K9 in the signal 10.
10-3, 10-3.
We got one thrown down on the ground. That one is up.
1642 hours.
CO3 Central. Hey, that cook, can you get it back here at the first scene where the vehicle went into the woods? CO3 Central. Send the fire department to the 252, and if there's a K9 that can come.
Temple, there's going to be K9 in the signal 10.
10-3, 10-3.
Step back. Don't grab it. All right. Yeah. I CIA. I'm Central Thursday. I'm Central Thursday. Police. Stand up. I had to go. I'm there. Make sure he doesn't have any weapons on him. Do me a favor. See if you can get somebody to see inventory what's in this. Yep. What is this? Now it's locked. Coco. Where's Coco at?
That's blue. That's why. Wow. That's give me the
No. Take him. He goes to them. We're in their county. They take him.
911.
We got to book him in their
337.
county.
I'll say integrity. I say call her. Hey, woo.
Hey, don't put him in the car.
Hey, Skio, kid. All right. Let
Spread your feet.
Hey,
Spread your feet.
F-150. Ready to the house. Herbert.
Hey,
Camouflage.
Quiet.
Edward.
Quiet.
I'm scared, Edward. They try to kill me. For real.
Well, you killed just about everybody else, so.
No, that blue truck right now. That's gone.
Yeah, but looks like there's a little bit of blood on the
That blue truck. That blue truck.
That's the police.
That police. Man down in the field. 784. Y'all see the headlights. Y'all see the truth. They say a helicopter. 3 pilot red tails. Green stage 2. Green stage Coco. Police. Red stage 5.
Hey, where's Brady?
F-150.
Brady.
Say double take. Y'all say okay. Pull him in. Y'all say hit us. Go to Georgia.
This is CST right here.
Right here. Right there walking. Across this way. Y'all say catch. F-150. Full of bulldogs. Y'all say GML. I say God. They got who? The devil. FBI. Say CIA. DA. Herbert. Paul. Will. Vicky. Courtney. Say Bell Covers. Dennis Jones Covers. Barry Baldwell. Say Trooper. F-17 FPL. Florida Patrol Economics. DOT. Department of Transportation. Blue. Never say go. Go stay true. Go Coast Stay Officer. Say help me. They say look. It's a BMP shape. Camouflage. It's a double take. Y'all say B. They say no. They kill me, they gonna kill me. FFP say blue. You say true. I say soldier. I ain't got the pin in my wig. Peel these cops back. Y'all say blue. They say soldier. I steal. Point blue. 4. Y'all say blue. I say Brevard County. Brevard County. I say no. Flex. Shell Volusia County. No. SRX. I'll go back. Y'all kill him.
You might want to start double checking.
No. They say don't come back. Ain't true. Y'all say F-150. Volusia. High State. Dodge. FFP. Florida State 50121. Check in. Y'all say soldier Bulldogs. I'm in trouble. Y'all say who? 5-day County.
Yeah, I know.
Who? Beyonce. Transport. I say Malibu Chevy. I say man down the highway. I say I can't put it down. I say Fred. Y'all say what?
Watch your head.
Volusia County. Fred, come and see you. Fred, come and see you. Go to jail.